Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific truck or anything else we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2017 Ram 1500 Express Edition with it's completely blacked out from the factory with just over 36,000 miles on it. First thing you're going to notice in the front, it has the completely blacked out front grille along with your Ram badging in the center, and once again it's completely blacked out. You do have your fog lights located down below on your bumper, and everything seems to be in very, very good condition on the front end of this vehicle. There's no dents or scratches. All in all, just an extremely nice vehicle. And you can't forget, these are factory Ram rims, guys. Extremely nice 20-inch factory blacked out rims with plenty of tread depth left on those tires. And of course, just like the front, the Ram 1500 badging is completely blacked out. Factory, those are not factory, those are aftermarket blacked out step-up bars. They're by Raptor. Exterior is black in color, if you cannot tell. This vehicle did not have a spray and bed liner in it, but it does not look to be tore up, barely scratched at all, I would say. Looks like they barely ever used it, honestly. It does have a blacked out rear bumper, as you can see, just like the front, and you do get that with that blackout package on these Rams. So you get the front and rear bumper, the rims blacked out along with all the badging. This particular truck is a V6, so it is a 3.6 liter V6 motor in this, which is going to get you mid-20s on fuel economy while going down the highway, which is actually very, very well considering for a crew cab four-wheel drive truck just like this one here. So not only do you get the awesome looks of the completely blacked out, you're going to get the amazing fuel economy of this truck also. Power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Automatic overhead headlights, as you can see here. Cloth interior. On the steering wheel on the left-hand side, these two top buttons here for your hands-free, so you can program your phone directly into this radio, and you no longer have to worry about reaching for your phone while driving down the road. You can simply hit the phone button located right here, and you can carry on your conversation directly through your speaker system. These four buttons down here are going to operate your instruments cluster, which is located right here in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge. Right now I have it set on miles per hour, but you can change all those settings, whether it's vehicle information, it'll show your oil life, it'll show you temperatures of like your transmission, coolants, all kinds of stuff that's built in there. And then you also have a fuel economy setting where you could keep it on your fuel economy, and then you have a trip A and then also a trip B. So there's a bunch of stuff that's built actually into this little information center that is very nice to have when it comes to the operation of your vehicle. On the right hand side up top, you can have the option of shifting gears while driving down the road, and then you also have your cruise control buttons, these four bottom buttons located right here. Touchscreen radio, as you can see here. It does have AM, FM, and XM radio capabilities, which is an extremely nice feature to have, is that Sirius XM radio. You can also download media directly into this radio, and like I said, you can pair your phone so you can carry on conversations through your speaker systems. It also has a built-in compass in this radio, and this radio is fully touchscreen. Under that, you have your volume, and you can also change your channels right here. Right underneath that, you have your climate controls where you can adjust the speed of how fast you want the airflow, then the temperature, and then what zone you would like your airflow to come out of. This is a turn knob reverse to drive system. As you can see, there is park, reverse, neutral, and drive. And then right under that is your four-wheel drive system. So right now, obviously, it's in 2 high. You could lock it into 4 high if you'd like right there, or obviously 4 low, which is right underneath that. 12-volt DC charger located on the right here, and then over here on your right hand side you do have a USB plug over there. Then you have pull-out cup holders located, or not cup holders, a little compartment located right here for all your knickknacks that you may want to store. This is a center bench, as you can see, so you do have a nice armrest located right here. 3 cup holders built in. Storage into here underneath the armrest. And then this also does flip up for you can have 6 people in this particular truck. All in all, I would say this interior is in very, very good condition. The floor looks, there's no stains, no rips in the floor. Same with the seats. All in all, inside I would rate this at an 8 or a 9. Doors. As far as the rear bench, I'd rate it just like the front. Extremely good condition. As you can see, the floor is in very, very good condition. And same with the rear bench, which can seat up to 3. And it does fold up with storage room capabilities right underneath it. So if you're looking for an extremely nice, all blacked out Ram, this may be the one for you. Guys, this has a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor, which is going to give you phenomenal fuel economy along the highway with just over 36,000 miles. This thing is 4-wheel drive. It has a touchscreen radio, it has Sirius XM radio, and once again, it is completely blacked out. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific truck, and a full description of it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.